Mind clothes itself in garments of its own making. Mind is the arbiter of life. It is the creator and shaper of conditions, and the recipient of its own results. It contains within itself both the power to create illusion and to perceive reality. Mind is an infallible weaver of destiny. Thought is a thread. Good and evil deeds are the warp and the woof. And the web woven upon the loom of life is character. Make pure thy heart, and thou wilt make thy life rich, sweet, and beautiful, unmarred by strife. Let your heart grow and expand with ever-broadening love. Until freed from all hatred and passion and condemnation. It embraces the whole universe with thoughtful tenderness. As the flower opens its petals to receive the morning light, so open your soul more and more to the glorious light of truth. Soar upward on the wings of aspiration. Be fearless and believe in the loftiest possibilities.